7. I'm just going to film a little bit. Hey, looking for a lunch stop, someplace where to pull over and have some lunch. Like I was saying, these roads, every direction you can go, twisty, twisty, twisty. It's still kind of damp and wet in areas, so you got to be careful. But look at this. Just look through the corner. Dodge the dead animals, the debris and rocks. You'll be fine. Whoa. Gotta be ready. Gotta be ready. The camera doesn't pick it up, but some of these sneak up quickly. Not ready, you're in trouble. Still looking for a lunch stop somewhere. I'm going to pull over if I can find a nice little spot. Not that spot either. This pavement, this is nice. Nobody behind me. Hello. Hello. Oh yes. Turned into a great day. Weather turned out pretty good. It's drying up. The sun's popping in and out, so that's nice. Oh, there's a big old turkey back there. Listening to music when I ride. I like to do that. Not all the time, but most of the time. If I'm by myself. With someone, I don't listen to music just because I'm talking and stuff. Look at that view. Pull off spot, grab a view. A lodge or something, check that out. Fairmount. That's got to be a hunting lodge or something. Build a nice big new home there. My music keeps cutting in and out because of the just not getting service and signal down in here. It's trying. Me a pull-off spot. It's 12:15. I'm ready to eat. I'm ready to snack. What do we have here? What do we have here? Going down here. Down here? Downhill. I like that. Shit, right turn. Falling rock, look out. like it. Never been on this part of 27 before. I don't think. We're going to find a pull-off spot. This is cool. A little waterfall right there. Had a blink of it. You can't look. This is nice. I love Arkansas. Wish I lived down here. Yes, please. Oh, I'm listening to Disturbed down with the sickness on that little bit there. That's cool. I'm never sure, like, what some of these corners, how technical they're going to be. Whoa, that's sketchy. Coming up and over, that's like, whoa! Beautiful, beautiful tarmac. Look at that waterfall. Look at that. Sweet! Look at that. Sweet! Only because of the rain, I assume. That's always a waterfall. Kind of cool. Oh, got some buzzards eating some roadkill. Always got to be looking out, man. Animals, deer, cars, stuff in the road, water, rock. Water, rock, sticks like that. Yeah, I like it. What a fun little section. I'm gonna find a pull-off spot. I've been saying that for a bit. There's some river right there. Hey, what was that? Maybe that. Somebody lives down there though. I don't want to go down there. Killing the noise. North this is. I've done 27 a bunch, but I went to Tilly and then catch 16. This is 27 on farther north to Marshall and Harriet, I think. Yeah, Push Mountain and then come up out at Yellville. Like to listen to. I'm a metalhead. I like rock, man. Not crazy death metal, but just good, powerful rock and roll. Hey, how about that? Yeah, that's the spot. Okay, folks. I'm checking out because I'm going back to that spot right there. Over and out.